Hello, everybody. So let's unbox or let's open my parcels or my orders online, which is I prepare for this because this is an OOTD, and that is because I have an important appointment, and some of my orders is not yet delivered. So ito na muna yung i-unbox natin. Ako nang abili. Lip Therapy by Chris. And this is the magnetic lashes. Ayoko nang pumunta ng salon para magpa-lashes kasi ang sakit sa mata, yung glue. Ano ba to? Dalawa lang siya. Okay, skirt. So this is my skirt. Wow, a V-shape skirt. So nice. Ang ganda nito pa. Ang kikay. Oh, Risky ang quality. Balag mahal basta. This is the last one and excited na ako. Kasi wala nang iba. Is my new boots. Yes, super ganda niya. Naghihintay pa ako ng ibang orders. It should be na sabay-sabay, but I can't wait. Okay, so bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching.